Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to remotely take full control of the computer on your network to monitor it and access it as a system administrator using a remote system administrator tool. So we are gonna using a remote access software which is LiteManager. You can find it on the website or you can search it on Google. Now download this and you have to extract the file also, and after that you can see this software. You can see LiteManager Pro server and LiteManager Pro viewer, and we are going to use this server because I want to host this to my another PC. So install this and set a password. Minimum 8 password you have to set. After choose your password, then check this mark and you can see the IP. Click on OK and finish. Okay, our software is already run. You can see there. Okay, let's jump to our another PC and you can see LiteManager Pro viewer. Click on that and install this. Then finish. Okay, then select free and OK, and you can see add new connection. Click on that. You can give IP or ID and you have to give the password whatever you set on another computer. Type IP here. You can see we have successfully added this, and you can see we can use our another computer from this PC with easily, and this is so fast. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.